How to use GrowthBar Enterprise properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. GrowthBar Enterprise is an advanced tool for SEO, content marketing, and competitive research, but beginners often misuse it in ways that slow growth and waste resources. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Understanding its features is crucial for maximizing ROI. A major mistake is failing to define your target keywords and content goals before starting. GrowthBar's content generator relies on clear input to create high-ranking articles. Beginners often enter vague topics like digital marketing, resulting in broad content that doesn't drive traffic. Defining keywords, search intent, and audience persona ensures content resonates and ranks effectively. Another common error is underutilizing the SEO tools. GrowthBar offers keyword research, backlink analysis, and competitor insights. Many beginners skip these steps, relying solely on AI-generated content. For example, analyzing competitors' top pages can reveal gaps in your content strategy, helping you outrank them quickly. Ignoring this insight is a costly mistake. Neglecting on-page optimization is also frequent. GrowthBar recommends headings, meta descriptions, and word count for SEO-friendly content. Beginners often ignore these suggestions, producing content that may read well, but fails to perform in search rankings. Following AI-guided optimization ensures better visibility. Collaboration mistakes are common as well. GrowthBar Enterprise allows team members to edit drafts, leave notes, and assign tasks. Working in isolation can slow production and create inconsistent messaging. Using shared workspaces keeps your team aligned and efficient. Finally, beginners often fail to track content performance. GrowthBar integrates with analytics to measure traffic, engagement, and conversions. Not monitoring results means you miss opportunities to refine your content strategy and improve ROI. To use GrowthBar Enterprise properly, define clear goals, leverage SEO and competitor tools, follow optimization suggestions, collaborate effectively, and monitor performance. Avoiding these common mistakes transforms GrowthBar into a powerful engine for content growth, SEO success, and measurable business impact.